How we doing, Parnell?
We're doing okay.
You got a plan for dealing with this thing we're gonna fight?
Well, we outnumber it. We have better tools. Stick together, focus fire. That's a good plan.
Yeah, I was sort of expecting something more elaborate.
Von Clausewitz said, the enemy of a good plan is the dream of a perfect plan.
I get it. No plan is perfect. Stay flexible.
On the other hand, Eisenhower said, plans are useless, but planning is indispensable.
Ha! Ha ha! That's good. I'm gonna steal that.
Go right ahead. Eisenhower won't mind.
Birds and
So he said that he wants us to fuck him.
Well, sort of. He said any way we want. Because he just defeated Avatar Kane and his team.
So basically, fuck him. I don't know. I'm getting really old for this shit.
Dune Beetle, careful.
Feel better? Yeah, that was me. You're welcome. Okay, healing field is charged up.
Fuck.
Excellent. Excellent.
Okay, we have him.
There, see it?
You rolling?
Seriously.
Not. Oh.
Healing field ready.
Let's kill this fucker! Put damage after my gear, we'll mess this thing up!
Monster trapped.
Get ready for something! Ha-ha!
Ooh, how do you like that? I'm on the dark gun!
Healing field ready.
Amplifier up and ready!
Feel better? Yeah, that was me. You're welcome. Healing works ready. We need some.
Yeah, no! Oh!
Healing. Need more. I'll get you next time we're out.
Dome coming down.
Just out.
Buff. Buffy buff. Buff, 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 buff.
Healing field ready. Stand by.
Round is fast! Kill it fast!
Yummy.
The monster has evolved.
Well, it's bigger now. Ought to be easier to see. Darn it! He's lit up.
Something spooking the wildlife. Must be our target.
I'm a Kespi.
Dome ready.
Charge ready! Good time. You got it, man! Maximum damage!
Healing field is online.
Bam!
Get ready for something!
Billy 3. Unload!
Healing field ready.
The monster queen! Hit it now! Right, much.
Thanks.
Time to end this! I'm out!
Healing burst ready. Who needs it up?
Bam! Blood paper ready!
Dome coming down.
That's got it! Let's kill this fucker! Oh yeah!
No shields.
Watch it! Go for something! Okay, healing field is charged up. God! Shit!
Hunter down.
I'm hurt!
Second gun ready. Amplifier ready.
My pinky hero! Oh, it's you.
Pick me up from your bug man.
I thought it's Sledge.
Oh. Sorry,
Ouch.
rush for
Healing
damage.
field ready. Stand by.
Oh.
I'm in Kacpé.
Release the dust.
Oh, Sledge.
Yeah, I think I'm both.
Knock it down! Hide it up!
Hug in the air.
Bam!
Hunter down.
Elena!
Boom! It'll pick me up from your bug man. Healing field's ready. You hear that? Means get your butts over here.
Oh, jetpack buff.
Hey, check it out. One of the rare ones. Albino going down.
Dome ready.
So I think we should go for the reload buff instead.
The monster
Oh,
has
yeah.
evolved.
Target is stage 3. Load up.
Relay shield
get rocked.
activated. The relay is vulnerable. Get in range.
Someone stay the relay.
Albino specimen here. Taking down the albino.
Healing field ready. Stand by.
Have it. Going to relay now.
Release the dust.
You can go for the reload now, Kacpé.
The relay is under attack.
Enjoy being huge while it lasts.
Go for reload, Kacpé. Go, go, go. We are here.
Get ready for something. Healing field ready. Stand by.
The relay is under attack.
Walls down. Healing field ready.
Birds in flight. Something spooked them.
It's looking to nab someone.
One aggressive son of a bitch about to be dead.
Relay shield at maximum strength.
I see the target.
Tracker's active.
Hey Sledge, there is some bug flying above your head.
Relay shield at maximum strength.
Healing field ready. About to try something.
All right, tackle.
Feel better? Yeah, that was me. You're welcome. That's big enough, monster. Healing field ready. Stand by.
That's good.
Tracking gun ready.
Feel better? Yeah, that was me. You're welcome.
Only one thing riles up birds like that.
Relay shield at maximum strength.
It's still fire!
Now, while it's vulnerable.
Healing force ready. Who needs some?
Got it, man. Maximum damage.
You're healed. Don't thank me. Oh, you can thank me a little. My secret weapon. Go do your job.
Alright, feeling better already.
Damage amplifier's ready.
Healing field ready. Stand by.
Relay shield at maximum strength.
Whatever it's doing, dodge! There you go. You like that? Wall's gone! Come on! Okay, you need backup. That's big enough, monster.
Ready for the fight.
Switching to the tracking dart.
That's got it.
Healing field's ready. You hear that? Please get your butts over here. Wall's down!
No! Sledge! My love!
That's got it. Feeling great.
It's alright.
Relay
We
shield
got this.
at maximum strength.
Only one thing
I got
riles
you.
up birds like that.
Come here, I can hide you.
Healing field ready.
No, you can't. Only I can. I'm special. For most people, I'm a special idiot, but you know, I'm still special.
Boom, healing. You need more, I'll get you next time around. Haha, means going to jam a jam. Terrifying combo.
Yeah, you're gonna like that.
Relay shield at maximum strength.
Amplifier ready.
Healing field is online. Get ready for something. There you go. You like that?
Hunter return to
That's got
dropship.
it.
Okay,
Healing field ready. Stand by.
I already miss you, Sledge.
You missed my support?
No, I miss you.
I know, but I'd like if you missed my support too.
Yeah, I got it.
Thanks.
Dome ready.
Whatever it's doing.
Bring it on, you fat fuck!
Healing field ready. Stand by.
Oh boy.
Okay.
No! Terrapin!
Monster turn.
Keep that up. Don't be stingy.
Lock it down. Light it up.
Healing field ready.
Okay, that's the stuff.
No!
Hunter down.
You're healed.
Get in there, IP! Oh! Oh no.
Whatever it's doing, dodge.
Hunter down.
Healing field ready.
Stay
Catch
close to
me!
me so I can hear you, Catfe.
Fuck with the wrong
Wow.
Win.
motherfucker.
That was amazing.